Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My boys have always been drawn to toys that also are collectibles. And that's why they love Akedo, because they come in such a wide variety of different characters and they want to collect them all. This particular set has Volcrag and Shatterclaw. They love these characters. They think they're so cool looking. So Volcrag looks like a volcanic rock with fire coming out of his head. And then you've got this Shatterclaw character who's a little snowman with icicle arms. I mean, what boys are not going to be drawn to characters like this? These are really fun though because they have double strike armor. So you hit them once to remove their armor, and then if you hit them again, then they'll split, and that's how you determine who wins the battle. One thing I appreciate about these toys as a mom is they can take them in the car on the go. They're small and compact. If you have boys especially, I think they will love the Akedos. They're fun, crazy looking characters that fight. So what is a boy not gonna love about that? And that's our point of view.